This program checks if a year is a leap year or not. It asks the user to enter a year, then the program check the rules if the year is divisible by 4 and not by divisible by 100 or divisible by 400. Then it is a leap year. If not, it will say not a leap year. 2000 is a leap year.